Hey guys, welcome to another new podcast and this is Shogosani, your host. গত কয়েকটি ভিডিও ধরে আমরা কার্টুন অ্যানিমেশন ডিরেক্টরদের নিয়ে কথা বলার চেষ্টা করেছি। আজকেও আমরা তাদের নিয়ে কথা বলার চেষ্টা করব। এখানে পৃথিবীর সেরা 10 জন কার্টুন অ্যানিমেশন ডাইরেক্টরদের নিয়ে কথা বলার চেষ্টা করছিলাম এবং প্রথম 10, 9 এবং 8 নম্বর যারা ছিল তাদের নিয়ে আমরা কথা বলেছি। এবার আমরা 7 নম্বরে নিয়ে কথা বলবো। তিনি হচ্ছেন অ্যান্ড্রু Stanton. Okay, the Pixar Burton had a long history with the iconic company. Being one of the first animators for the studio, he helmed the directorial effort for a big Bug Life. Okay, while founding Nemo and its sequel Finding Dory, and also co-written Monster Inc. and the entire Toy Story series. But 2012, he directed the massive scale space of opera John Searcher, based on the books by Edgar Rice Burroughs. The movie was a box office flop, losing Disney about $200 million and the largest written down for a studio by fair. But even with that effort, Stanton got tapped to direct episodes from hit TV shows like Stranger Things, Better Call Saul, and The Legion. He has since bounced back in animation as a creative consultant for Disney and Pixar. Mike Judge, yes, the voice of Cleveland Brown, had his career start in animation as well as being the mastermind behind the cult hit Barvis and Boyhood for MTV. He also directed its feature-length movie Beavis and Butthead Do America. Thanks to its success, he co-created the other cult hit King of the Hill and a series of short entitled Milton. Okay, after that, Jazz spent off his space intended to be a ensemble piece and a comedy that featured the million character. Going through several studio obstacles, the film was released to limited success but found itself as a culture hit and a timely satire of workplace politics. Despite this, Jazz hated the third act. He soon directed 2 movies, Idolatry and Exact, and he created HBO show Silicon Valley. That's all about our today's video, and thank you very much for supporting our YouTube channel. If you like these types of video about cartoon and animation, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. I hope you like our today's video. If you like our today's video, then please don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you very much for watching.